In this video, I show you something that blows your mind. This is a music player. It is actually also a radio. Radio, music player, it can play music from your phone. It can play music from USB, from SD card, and also connecting to Bluetooth. So as you see here, it shows that it has 4 speakers, but actually it comes with only 2 speakers. Instead of 2 other speakers, they glued 2 stones. When people try to buy it, they should get the feeling that yes, there are 4 speakers inside. The reason I made this video is to show you that when you buy electronics online, things like this can happen to you. You know, there are companies around everywhere, in every corner. They create one product, like 1 million copy, and then distribute it around the world, sell it through big online markets or online stores like Amazon, and they don't care about their future, you know. And also with brands like this or logos like this, that people don't care, and also they don't care. They get this stuff sold, they get enough money, and then they make something else. Every time they make something different, something very cheap, low quality, fake. Probably you ask yourself why they are doing this. That is because the most expensive thing in this product is the speaker. So they save a lot of money if they don't add 2 more speakers. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.